In a previous video, I went through the detailed process of producing a successful multiplicity image. And then at the end of that video, I challenged you to make your own. It's one thing for me to take the photos. It's quite a different thing for you to go through the process. So to help you out, I want to add a few more examples of student work that has been done as part of my class and show you what to look out for and what works really well. So I'm going to come in here to my copy of Adobe Bridge one more time. And we'll let that start up here. I'll go to my desktop and I'm going to jump into my chapter 3 on my computer. And I want to show you some examples. So here's one from Maya. She got the idea. She's wearing different outfits in each of the shots. One of the things I want to point out is try to engage the viewer. Instead of having figures turning their back to the viewer, have everybody looking more toward us, more toward the viewer. I would also watch out for photographing or pointing your camera into a direct source of light, because that can really affect your values as well. Here's another example. She is wearing different outfits in each shot. We're losing some of the cast shadows, which starts to look a little more fake. And we've got a lot of blank space that we can get rid of. So watch out for blank spaces in your compositions. Here's another good shot. It's well lit. She's doing different things throughout the room, but her head's cut off. That's just some unfortunate cropping. So you got to watch out for that too. Here's another one that I thought worked out great. He is wearing the same outfit, but in each shot he's holding his dog or a dog's on his back. It's well lit. I think we could crop out some of that empty space up there. There's good overlap and interaction, so I thought this one worked out really well. Here's another nice one. She is doing different things. She's kind of interacting with the laptop. She's wearing different outfits in each shot. The room is well lit. This looks pretty good. Here's another great one. She really filled out the space. She's doing different, unique things in each and every shot. She's filling out the space. There's a lot of overlap. She's changing her outfits. Great multiplicity. Watch out for photographing in dark areas. You tend to lose a lot of edges, a lot of values. When you're pointing or when you're standing in the dark and you're pointing out to the light, you lose a lot of detail. So try to watch out for your lighting conditions. In a shot like this, she got the idea. There are 6 poses there. I probably would have cropped that. There's nothing going on up here, and there's nothing going on the bottom. This would have worked great as a horizontal photo, or put 3 or 4 more people sitting here. I wouldn't photograph with people so far away that everybody's really small in your composition, but watch out for your spacing as well. Okay, here's another one. The problem first is there's supposed to be 6, and you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one he forgot was standing right behind this character. So it's kind of like 5.5. Also, almost every one of them is ignoring us. They're ignoring the viewer, so watch out for that. This one is some great interaction. It's hilarious. I don't know what's going on with that guy there, but I love that. There's some great overlap. He's changed his outfit in every shot. There's great interaction here. This is a great multiplicity scene. Watch out for your composition as well, where most, or I would say half of the composition is just legs under a table. Most of your interaction is up here, but again, the 6th one was sitting right behind this one. So again, it looks more like 5.25 instead of 6. All 6, or a minimum of 6 or more, should be very clearly seen in your final photo. This one worked out great. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably would have cropped it a little bit more over here because there's nothing going on, but it's a well-lit room. She's wearing different outfits. There's some interaction among them. It worked out pretty well. This one is awesome. Amber here photographed her dad just being a total goofball and having a heck of a time. I can't imagine how long it took to photograph and put this all together. But man, this looks professional. He's a surfer, he's a camper, he's a skier, he's an equestrian rider, he's going camping, he's throwing snowballs at Christmas time, he's on his airplane. There's just so much going on here. Awesome, really well lit. Just, I would hire Amber in a minute to do more work like this. Here's another one with Miriam. She photographed her husband just having fun in the room, changing his outfit. He's in a well-lit room. Everybody is doing something really unique. There's some interaction here. There's some overlap. Great, great job. If you don't have anybody who wants to help you out and you got a pet, go for it. I mean, this is great. I love that dog staring right at us. The other dogs are all kind of doing their own thing. This works. I think it's fun. Might be a good banner shot for a veterinarian's office. And here's another really excellent one. Very nicely lit room. He has a lot of overlap, a lot of interaction among the figures. There's different outfits and his photography is nice and crystal clear. James did a great job on this one too. So that gives you some things to think about when you go to produce your own original multiplicity image. And again, there should be a minimum of 6 or more poses in the final shot. And I wish you good luck. I look forward to seeing your creativity.